we are making some chicken Alfredo. Yes guys, some chicken Alfredo. I'm using some jerk chicken to make some chicken Alfredo pasta. And over here we're gonna add some ingredients. You guys saw the video I did with the shrimp pasta, the Rasta pasta. Today we're doing a chicken Alfredo pasta. As you can see, we have some fresh mushroom right there for you guys. We're gonna put some mushroom. We got our chicken breast over here. We're gonna go ahead and cut up our chicken breast and we're gonna grill it, guys. And over here we have some seasonings. This is a recipe that we're using. As always, we have our coconut milk starting over here. Coconut milk. Up here we got some black pepper. We have some green seasoning out of St. Lucia again, like the last video. We have our Jamaican jerk season right there, and we have our jerk marinade season, which is another kick to the jerk. So definitely when you're doing jerk, you want to use both of them because they have a different ingredients in both of them. This one is a little bit like give the chicken that color that you need, that brownish color. So I believe they have a little bit of browning in this one right here to change the texture and color of your meat. And this one definitely give it that herbs and spice you need from it. Over here we have some poultry season right here. This is Southern blend. Very nice, authentic season right here. Over here we have some garlic powder. We're gonna put some garlic in there. You know, garlic is good for you. And then we have some allspice pimento right here as well. We're gonna go ahead and put that as well. So these are just all the ingredients. We're gonna use just a little bit of those. And of course we got coconut milk over there. Over here we have some green vegetables. We have our red pepper, we have some jalapeno, we have some scallion, and we have some tomatoes and some red onion as always, and we have Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. Yes, Scotch bonnet pepper. We're not going to use a lot of this. We're going to cut just the just the vegetable part and then leave the seeds inside because the seed is hot. And we have some good thyme here. There's some good thyme, so it give you that flavor. Some carrots. We're gonna go ahead and cut and shred these carrots small, so they're gonna be like mixed in our pasta. And we have another red pepper, and we have some squash right here. We're gonna cut it up as well and put it in there. You can't get enough vegetable in your pasta because that is good for you. Give it that flavor. Okay, guys. So the first thing we're gonna do, our chicken breast is here. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut our chicken breast. It's going. Just cut it like this in half all the way through. See that nice texture inside? Look at that. Same thing with this one. You know they're thick, so it's good to cut them in the middle and reveal that nice chicken breast texture inside. You see that right there? So we're gonna go ahead and just cut it up. And remember, guys, we're gonna be jerking this. Some people just go ahead and saute them in the pan with some olive oil, but we are not gonna use any oil. We're just gonna go ahead and put them in the oven and get them jerk. Get rid of all of that oil stuff. Make them more healthy. Okay, guys, now my chicken breast is cut up in small pieces, and I'm going ahead and put them into this bowl over here I have in the sink, and I'm going ahead and season them up. So there you go, nice fresh chicken breast. Look at that, guys. Look at the texture. Look at that chicken breast. Can make some chicken strip with this. Look at that. Beautiful looking chicken breast. All the fat is gone. It's all lean. It's okay. Now we have it in our pan. We're gonna go ahead and season it up. I'm gonna put some pimento in here. And then just beat them. These are my pimento bean. Just go ahead and brown them. Okay, guys, my pimento. Just go ahead and pour it on my meat. Just like that. This is the allspice pimento. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna give it a kick. Yeah, give it a nice flavor. Get all of it out there. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put a spoonful of jerk season here, just like that. Just a spoonful is fine enough. Season's on, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the jerk marinade on there. I'm not gonna use a spoon, go ahead and judge it. It's about a spoonful as well. So there we go, about a spoonful. Yes guys, this is our green seasoning out of St. Lucia. So if you are St. Lucian, this is your season. You know what I mean? We gotta promote our season. This is a green season. We have all type of good vegetable in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put like a spoonful of this thing in here. And that's about it. Guys, next we're gonna put this garlic powder on it as well. So let's go ahead and put like less about a quarter spoonful. Here we have some poultry season, Southern blend. We're gonna go ahead and put like a quarter teaspoonful again. Okay guys, next thing you wanna do is just go ahead and stir it in. Just go ahead and stir it in. Get all that jerk season, all that green season and everything into your meat. Give it that nice. Last but not least, I'm gonna put a little bit of ginger. You know, ginger on your jerk chicken is really give it that kick. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of ginger. So definitely try out the ginger. Whenever you're making the jerk chicken, just put a little bit of ginger in it, just like that. You're gonna give it a nice taste, guys. You're gonna appreciate this. Okay guys, this is my grill sheet. I'm already gonna put it on here on a little grill rack like that. And I put some hole in it. So that means all the grease and the oil from the chicken can go right through. And I'm just going to spray it. Spray the foil. And we need our chicken to be on top of it. Just going to lay the chicken out on it. And like I said, I put some hole in between so the oil or the grease, the juice can go straight through. Because you're making jerk, you don't want the juice to be on the chicken. Okay guys, so now my jerk chicken is on the sheet. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it down with some cooking spray, just like that. And the reason why I'm doing it because I want it to jerk, but I don't want it to dry out. So I'm putting some cooking spray on it. Okay guys, now it's time for it to go in the oven, and we're gonna jerk this for a little while. We're gonna give it about 30 minutes. And my oven is set for about 350 degrees. Okay guys, my chicken is checking on them. They have been in the oven for about 20 minutes. Just checking on them, making sure that they are jerking properly. Maybe go another 15 minutes before I take them out. Okay guys, the first thing we're gonna do, our pot is being heated, so we're gonna go ahead and put some olive oil in there and to sear the vegetable. Go ahead and do that. Put a little bit of olive oil, not too much, just a little bit to sear the vegetable. Okay guys, my vegetable is all cut up and it's ready to go in the pot. And since they are so pretty, I think I may get a purple spoon or something. Let's go ahead with the color. First thing first, we're gonna go ahead and put our red onion in the oil. Let the onion go in first. Okay guys, the next thing I'm gonna put in there is my tomato just dropped. Next thing I'm gonna put in there is just my scallion. But don't worry about it, I always wash all my stuff fresh. Everything's always washed fresh in BlakeWrTv. Here we go. Okay guys, I'm caramelized the onion. I put a little bit of garlic in there. Give it a kick. I'm gonna go ahead and put my tomato in. Here's my tomato, guys. Look at the cut on the tomato. So these are special type of cutting. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my red pepper. Check out my cuts, guys. Check out my cuts. If you want to see how to cut up your green pepper like this, just check my other videos and you can see me cutting them up. Here's my jalapeno. Look at the cuts on them. Very nice. And here's my squash. Check out the cuts on the squash. And last but not least, my carrot. Also check out the cuts on my carrots. Like I said guys, if you want to see this, comment in the video below, or you can go check my other video to see the cutting process of these vegetables. Hey guys, I just put in my mushroom. That is the mushroom on top right here. These things are the mushrooms right on top. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add just a tablespoonful of vinegar in there. Just like that. That should be good. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and put in our coconut milk, and right here we have 1 2/3 of Glover's coconut milk. We're gonna go ahead and pour it in. Okay guys, we're gonna put like a tablespoon of salt, or maybe 3/4 of a tablespoon. Not too much. Okay guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of ginger inside of it with the vegetable and the coconut milk. Just a little sprinkle of coconut milk, a little tip, maybe 1/4 spoonful of it on that. Good. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make it steam a little bit to get my vegetable softening, and we're gonna reduce the fire to low heat. So let's set the fire on low heat. You don't want the fire to be too high because you don't want it to dry out a little too fast. So you want to put it on low heat and let it just simmer down like my grandmother would say. That should be good. Okay guys, this is my jerk chicken coming out the oven. Look at that chicken guys. Look at the texture on that chicken. Okay guys, this is our pasta pot. I'm gonna go ahead and put one teaspoon of salt in the water to give it that flavor. And then we're gonna go ahead and pour in our pasta. Okay guys, I have my penne pasta here, and it says to cook for about 11 minutes, 11 to 12 minutes down here. We're gonna put it in there for about 10 minutes because depends on the heat. Go ahead and give it a little stir and let that cook. Put the lid back on. And over here, take a look at my, ooh, look at that other steam guy. Okay guys, my pasta is cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. All you have to do is just turn it in something like this. Pour it all out. And I got a few in it. I don't want to lose any of my pasta. And then all you gotta do is just take this out. And the water is just like that. Hey guys, I got some Parmesan cheese right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put my Parmesan cheese in. So all you gotta do is just sprinkle some Parmesan cheese in there just like that. That's a good amount of cheese right there. Let's go ahead and mix your cheese in. Give it a nice little stir. Just gonna melt the cheese in here. Look at all that juice. Okay guys, I'm just gonna cut up my chicken in the meantime. So my chicken is grilled. This is my delicious jerk chicken with all the allspice on it. So over here guys, all I'm gonna do is cut it into small bits, just like that. Cut it into bite sizes. And this thing is smelling delicious guys. We're going to jerk chicken pasta. Okay guys, it's now time for me to put in my penne pasta and all that nice vegetable. Just get all your pasta mixed in just like that. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and add our jerk chicken to our pasta to make it that chicken penne pasta. As you can see, the jerk chicken, look at that texture on the jerk chicken guys. This looks delicious. So we didn't fry the chicken, we jerk it so we don't get any fat on it. Guys, look at that delicious jerk chicken pasta, mushroom, all the nice vegetable. Let's go ahead and put some parsley on top. Look at that, guys. That's what we all been waiting for. Look at that. Easy food you can put together for dinner at home in less than 20 minutes. You can make this at home. 20-30 minutes, guys. Easy, quick dinner. Just like that. Okay, guys, take a look at that delicious pot of jerk chicken pasta, guys, with mushroom. It has Parmesan cheese. It has carrots in there. It has bell peppers. It's a stock of vegetables in here, guys. It's a lot of vegetable. This thing is yummy, delicious, guys. This is just full of flavors. Mouth watering right here. So first, we're gonna go ahead and make a plate. I wish you guys were here to try it. This would be your spoonful. Look at that, guys. Look at that spoonful. All the jerk chicken. What we got on there?
Chicken, cheese, penne pasta, yum.
I can't. This thing just full the whole house with the aroma. That's delicious smell, guys. Gosh, it make your mouth water right here. So let's go ahead and make a plate. Just like that. Hey guys, thank you guys for sticking with us today on BlakeWrTv Kitchen. I appreciate you guys sticking around for the end of the food to see what this delicious jerk chicken pasta looks like. And this is our final products here. It is delicious. I already make me a plate. I can't resist getting ready to eat this, guys. The jerk chicken is looking so delicious in this plate, guys. Look at that. Let me get me a mouthful of this delicious food. You can taste the Parmesan cheese. Tastes so good with the jerk chicken. Here's a piece of chicken. I wish you guys were here to try this food. It tastes so good. That's what I'm talking about. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. In my next video, I want to do maybe I want to do like a fried rice. I want to do a delicious fried rice, or maybe an orange chicken with fried rice. So something gonna be good in my next video. So stick around, make sure you subscribe so you can get notification. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next video, guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day. Peace.